Hello.
Play blues?
No, I play only my music.
Only your music?
Yeah. And right now I'm playing instrumental dedicated to my wife.
I'm from Wales.
Wales?
Yes.
Welcome.
I brought my harmonicas.
Oh.
Brought a few harmonicas.
And now goes no, it's not the blues. It's listen. And it's B and A minor. All right.
Oh, lovely. Thank you. I have not had a chance to play since I'm here on Friday.
Yeah. I'm playing on the terrace of this hotel from Monday until Sunday.
Oh, I see, right.
Saturday, actually Saturday, Sundays. Today I'm free. I'm playing only on TikTok now.
Hey, lovely to meet you. I'm John.
And Dario.
Dario.
Yeah. Dario Plevnik. Okay.
Dario Plevnik. I'm John.
John.
Roach.
From Wales.
From Wales.
Yeah.
Yes, I speak Welsh as well, my first language.
That's good. That's nice.
Yes, we have a place in Wales. A long name. Llanfair Pwllgwyngyll Bogerich Chwenrobwll Llandisilio Go Go Go. One word. Hey, lovely to meet you.
Wow, lovely to meet you too.
Take care.
Bye bye.